Hello and welcome to Beijing Information Technology Joint Stock Company. Our company is a company focusing on online mouse intelligence, industry, business and Internet of Things marking system overall solution, R&D and promotion, set scientific research and production, a professional company that integrates sales and service. In January 2014, it was officially listed on the new third board. Securities abbreviation immediately, stock code 430,367. After more than a decade of rapid growth, the company signage products have been widely used in power communication, aerospace machinery manufacturing, metallurgy, petrochemical, transportation, commercial office, warehousing, logistics, and many other fields. Become a leader in the domestic industry. The company has a strong research and development, production, and technical service capabilities. Provide customers with a full range of signage systems. Total solution. National high-tech and technologically advanced small and medium-sized enterprises. Owns dozens of invention and utility model patents and software copyright. The company's products include intelligent marking wiring harness equipment, label printer, line number printer, barcode printer, name brand printer, electronic label, heat transfer ribbon, and other 8 series in thousands of products. Currently, the company's products are exported to Asia, Europe, Africa, and South America. More than 30 countries and regions in Oceania. We adhere to Chengde to moisturize our body. Diligent to the enterprise spirit of the industry. Shoulder the corporate mission of innovating and serving the society. Don't forget the original intention. Stick to industry, dedicated to industrial and Internet of Things, identification products and system solutions. Building a global provider to promote the development and upgrading of China's label industry. Let's go together. Enter the cryptography department. Let's understand our original intention and perseverance together.